Hey, I was scared. I'm not going to that's family. If I said, I was when my name says, "Oh, my child visa is done to protect me. I've been here 5 years because I'm gay." Go let her know. Let her come to the house. We will pass a bacaton or Namasi. Are you God? Bakatonda, are you God to judge me? You're such an idiot, a stupid black man. Don't just you just ruined my nights. You fucking ruined my nights. Why you got visa in the Carino? Why you have visa? And I see Uganda. And I see Uganda. You do it because I'm gay. Chilingama, Taco. You fucking ruined my nights. Okay, we say I'm security. We say I'm maso. What is that, Mazi? I'm very peaceful. I'm a very peaceful person. Sister, don't fucking talk to me. So we have a peace and freedom in America because wanted the peace and freedom. Not for such an idiot. I mean, different. This is my freedom. Still, I couldn't win today. This is bogus. Still, I couldn't win. I don't need a solution for what? I've been embarrassed just on my life. I don't need nothing. Don't talk to me. You're making me.